Hey, Joe Phillips here with Central Park Scoop and Focus Real Estate. And I'm here with Chad Maxsood, and we are here to see his new business, Clean Eatz, which just opened up over off of Colfax, around where Monaco and Colfax intersect.
Yep.
It's kind of loud out here, so we're going to pop inside, and then Chad's going to show us around.
Perfect. Come on in.
Okay, so Chad, before we go too far, just tell us what this business is all about. What do you guys do?
Absolutely. So we do a variety of things, everything from kind of meal preparation to kind of our traditional cafe and as well as catering. So you'll notice in these coolers right behind us that we have our grab-and-go meals. These are all going to be made fresh in-house. Every one of them are going to be labeled with our macros. So we have the ingredients, the allergens for gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, different things like that. We have everything from chicken to beef, vegetarian, low carb. So we really try and accommodate everyone's different dietary needs.
So you were telling me a little bit about it beforehand.
Yeah.
You've got the frozen ones. You've also got the fresh in the
Yep.
back, so people could come in and get whatever meals
Absolutely.
they want for the week. A couple things you told me that I really liked is like you don't have to subscribe to some set plan that's like 40 meals a month or whatever. So tell us about the flexibility of the meal plans.
Yeah, so we really try and accommodate everyone's lifestyle kind of in a week-to-week basis. Everyone kind of on a week changes. Some people may be traveling the following week, or one week may be more hectic than others. So the big thing is no subscriptions. There's no minimums or maximums. You can really do one meal, you can do 45 meals or anything in between. So whatever really fits your lifestyle. A lot of people like to do just their lunches and then cook dinner at home, or some people do breakfast, lunch, and dinner with us. So I have plenty of options for kind of whatever fits your needs.
We talked about this a little bit beforehand too, but it's just so much work to cook every meal and then clean and the meal prep and then the groceries.
A lot of time and effort.
It's pretty inefficient. I know people are really busy. And the main thing that attracts me to it is, even if you have these great intentions going into your week, when you have 3 little kids like we do and you start getting all these different practices in the evening, all of a sudden you're driving home at 6:30, you're too tired to cook that good food that you did buy at the grocery store, and then you go out to eat and you spend way more than you probably could have here, and it's not even healthy.
Exactly, and so that's another thing that we hit on is the affordability piece. So all of our grab-and-go options are going to be about $6.50. The fresh meals that we were talking about, that changes every week. Those are going to be starting at $6.10 to $7.60 per meal. So try and keep it nice and affordable. You go to the grocery store, you buy all the ingredients, all the condiments, the toppings. It's going to get above that very quickly. So
yeah, you're doing this in bulk. I don't think I could even replicate
absolutely
it cheaper than this, and I don't have to do anything.
Yes, yep. You pick it up. You order Thursday through Sunday on our website.
Yep.
Come in on Sunday or Monday, pick it up. You got all your meals for the week, and you're set.
Okay, great. Show us around the rest of the cafe.
Yeah, so we'll walk through. You'll see
kind of keep facing the camera just for the voice.
Perfect. Yeah, so we have got our kind of cafe here. This is more of the traditional cafe that you're probably familiar with. All of this is going to be made fresh to order for either dine-in or to go. We've got everything from build your own bowls, which is probably our most popular item, just as you can customize it to exactly what you want. The wraps are another big famous hitter, and then it can't ever go wrong with the burgers, flatbreads, and of course, being a healthy cafe, you got to have the salads as well. So any of this, like I mentioned, can be for dine-in or to go. You can order ahead of time, and we are also on Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub as well.
Awesome. Tell us just a little bit about the business real quick, where it started and how you got involved.
Yep, so the business actually started in the Carolinas. So back in 2017 is when we kind of first opened up. It is a franchise type model. So most of the different stores are out on the East Coast of the Carolinas, Pennsylvania, Florida, and we're really the first one to branch out west, if you will. So first one in Colorado, really happy to be here and kind of share the Clean Eatz brand and lifestyle with the Colorado community. I think it fits really well with kind of the active and healthy lifestyle that our fellow Colorado community has.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you. That's exciting. I think it's going to help a lot of people. I know that's the hardest part for me. Like, I go do the exercise and stuff, but then I just blow it on the food.
Absolutely.
And you have a sign over there that says, like, working out is like 70% diet, 30%.
Yeah, 30% food.
Working out.
Yep.
70% food,
yes,
diet,
yeah.
30% working out.
Yep.
I do the workout, and then I feel like I deserve to eat whatever the hell I want.
Yeah.
I never have that all
it's very
together.
much a balancing act, and that's one of the things that we try and do here is even incorporating into our meals is We have pre-portioned balanced meals in the sense of balancing it out between the fat, macros, the fat, carbs, and protein as well. So that way you're getting a nice, well-rounded meal.
Yeah, I love how that's all on a label
Yes.
too. You don't have to count all that or think about it.
It's easy
That's
for
huge.
tracking purposes and all that good stuff. You know exactly what you're getting, and it tastes good too. That's the big thing.
All right, so where should people go if they want to learn more?
Yeah, so if you want to check us out or check out our weekly meal plan, go to cleaneatz.com/meal plan menu, all one word. Our new menu comes out every Thursday, so Thursday through Sunday you can order, and then you come pick your meals up on Sunday or Monday. And always feel free to give us a call if you have any questions at all.
All right, thanks for your time.
Awesome.
I appreciate it.
Thank you, Joe. Appreciate it.